How to design 3D activewear in minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to add your design and logos onto these 3D models without any 3D design experience needed. We'll be doing 90% of the work in Photoshop and then hopping over to Blender to convert it into 3D. Blender is completely free. You can download it at blender.org and we'll be using it to present your designs in a completely new way. So without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be using the leggings, but this works for all the 3D models in the activewear pack. You can find a link in the description. First, open Photoshop and locate the Blender leggings folder. Next, we need to open the 2D file in Photoshop to add our design. Make sure to lock layer 1 to avoid any issues later on. Layer 1 needs to stay exactly in the same place, otherwise you will get texture artifacts on the 3D model. Next, create a new layer and add your design. In this case, I will add a solid color to the waistband and then import some artwork I made earlier onto the legs. Once you're happy with your design, save by going to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. It's important to keep the same name, as this will automatically load your textures into the 3D model. Step 2. Blender. Open Blender and then drag and drop the .blend file into the program. And that's it. You now have a working 3D model ready to render into images or a video. To change the angle of the model, just drag across the timeline at the bottom or press the spacebar to start and stop the animation. Once you have an image you want to render, go to Render, Render Image, and then once there, Image, Save As, then name the file in a location you can find it on your computer. To make an animation, select the output settings and select the folder icon. Name and save your animation in a location you can easily find. I'll save mine on my desktop and call it Leggings 001. Next, select Render in the top menu bar and then click Render Animation. This will now make an animation with 360-degree rotation. It can take time to render an animation. Expect anywhere between 10 to 30 minutes, depending on your computer. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Consider subscribing. It makes a huge difference and you'll be updated with new videos in the future. Okay, thanks, bye!